Daddy Monkey Stories.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
J for Joker. J for Joker. I am J. What is there in this box? Oh, who is jumping in the box? Oh, it's a joker. It's a joker. J for Joker. Oh, the joker has jumped out of the box. Where are you going, Joker? My friend is coming and we are going to drink tasty juice. Okay, bye-bye. Then the Joker and his friend went to the juice shop and they drank very tasty juice. J for juice. J for Joker. J for Joker. J for jump. J for jump. J for jeep. J for jeep. J for juice. J for juice. J for Joker. J for jump. J for jeep and J for juice. Now clapping for J. K. K for kite. K for kite. Once there was a kangaroo and a koala bear. They both were friends. One day, a kitten came and told that there was a kite on the tree. Then kangaroo and koala both went to pick the kite. The koala bear climbed up the tree and brought the kite down. Then the kangaroo flew the kite and they all enjoyed. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K for koala. K for koala. K for kitten. K for kitten. Meow. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. Kite is flying high in the sky. K for kangaroo, K for koala, K for kitten and K for kite. Now clapping for K. L. L for lion. L for lion. Once a lion was sleeping near a lake. There came a ladybug. The ladybug sat on the nose of the lion. The lion got very angry and he said, "Why did you sit on my nose?" The ladybug got scared. She said, "Okay, lion, sorry. Now I will sit on the leaf." "I'm sorry, lion. I'm really sorry." L for lion. L for lion. L for lake. L for lake. for ladybug. L for ladybug. L for leaf. L for leaf. L for lion. L for lake. L for ladybug and L for leaf. Now clapping for L. My dear kids, for more interesting alphabet stories, subscribe to this channel. Take care.